Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss some problem in Python language which is very much important as Python language is concerned. So let's go to the computer screen. Hello friends, today I will discuss a problem in Python language, and the problem is that write a program in Python to print the pattern of alphabets like that. In first row there is a single A, second row 2B, third row 3C, fourth row 4Ds, fifth row 5Es, and sixth row 6F. Okay, so this type of problem we can solve through nested loop. Means we need an outer loop and also need an inner loop. Okay, so go to the Python IDE PyCharm. I will write the code in Python. Okay, hello friends, now I am just in Python IDE in PyCharm and I just write the code to print the pattern of alphabets. Okay, so before start we need a function which demonstrate printing pattern of alphabet. So write the function name, suppose write def, and suppose the function name is alphabet pattern. Okay, and send as argument just n. Okay, and just put a colon, and within that function we write our code here. Okay, so at first just initialize num is a variable, just put the value is 65. Why? Because initializing value corresponding to a, because the pattern like a, second row bb, in that way is going on. Okay, so initializing value corresponding to a, so this is the actually the ASCII value, that's why it just write num equal to 65. And now we are using two loops, one for outer, other for inner. So at first I just write the outer loop, just write for I in, and just write range. Okay, and just send what 0 comma n as argument and put a colon after that. This is the outer loop which handles number of rows. Okay, and just put the statement within that. What is the statement? The first statement should be the inner loop which handles number of columns. So just write for j in range and just send within the argument as 0 comma I plus 1 and just write the colon. And as a statement of the inner loop, just write ch equal and just write chr, and within parentheses just write num. Okay, why we are using this? Because explicitly converting to char. Okay, because the num value is 65, now we want to convert into character. Okay, and now just print it. So just write ch comma, and after we just write end and just write equal and just write double quote open close and put a space within that. Okay, this is the end of your inner for. Okay, and just write num equal num plus 1, and also put some another statement, just write print and just write within double quote slash r. Why? Ending line after each row. Okay, so these statement are the part of the outer for loop. Okay, and this is the end of your outer for. Okay, we are just write n equal to 6 because the number of row according to our pattern of alphabet is a 6 row, so n equal to 6. And now just call the function alphabet pattern and as an argument just send n. Why? Because n value is 6 here. Okay, now I just execute this Python code. So just go to the run button and just press run example1 because the code is already saved within the file example1.py. Okay, so if we run this code, so just see within the console we get the output similar whatever I am told. In first row this is a single a, second row 2b, third row triple c, fourth row 4ds, fifth row 5es, and sixth row contain 6f. So in that way we can draw the pattern of alphabets in Python language, right? I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel
technical arguing. Thank you and bye bye.